Hello everybody, I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I need to make a present for my Turkish mother-in-law. I have this piece of linen fabric. I take a stabilizer. Two layers of stabilizer. I glue the linen fabric on the stabilizer. Save every inch. I add gaskets. I fix it in the hook. And now I embroider a design that mother-in-law dreams of. By the way, this is my daughter's favorite design. I sewed this lovely handbag for her. The design is embroidered. Ready, beauties. I take the fabric out of the hoop. I cut out the design. Seam allowance is 1 centimeter. Cut out the insulation. From the main piece of fabric we need another piece of the same size. Fitting, it's okay, we have enough fabric. This piece needs to be stabilized. In addition, cotton insulation is needed. Cut out the insulation. I glue the insulation on the stabilizer. I place all the layers in the hoop. I fix. This is working side that will be exposed to high temperatures. Therefore, it is necessary to use threads resistant to high temperatures. I take viscose Madeira gray pearl. I'm doing a stitch. Ready. I take it out of the hoop. I remove the stabilizer. I cut out the main part, but we have to leave the corner. I fold this corner to wrong side and sew with permanent hand stitches. Knit a loop 13 centimeters. I am sewing a loop. In an empty space, I add a piece of fabric. I fasten with pins. I sew along the border of the embroidered design. I remove the extra stabilizer. It is necessary to cut excess material from the seam allowances. I take the prepared insulation, place it on the main part, turn it over and sew on the first line. I cut off the excess insulation. I turn the product. At this point, I sew the edge with temporary hand stitches. I sew up the hole with short hand stitches of the permanent purpose. Almost done. I remove temporary stitches. Finally cleaning, the potholder is ready. Would you give your mother-in-law a gift made from unnecessary scraps of fabric? The description contains links to shop with handicrafts. By buying in these stores, you are giving jobs to Turkish women. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. All the best in your sewing. Bye bye. Permanent heading on my channel, Wanted Cat.